Hi, good afternoon. This is Liz Davis. I am a nutritionist and I specialise in digestive health for busy women. So I help busy women fix their IBS symptoms, bloating, painful digestion, and a kind of associated hormone issues, because the two are very closely linked usually. So perimenopause, menopause, painful periods, etc. And I do this with state-of-the-art gut testing, hormone testing if necessary, and dietary and lifestyle upgrades to help to bring things nicely back into balance for you. So something really simple that you can do is get some easy movement into your day. And this is going to really help you, regardless of what you may or may not be eating, or if sometimes your diet may not be as good as it could be, then if you can just incorporate some simple movement into your day, then that can really help you. So first of all, I'm going to go into why that is, because I find it very motivating sometimes if you know why you're doing something. It can help you stick to a new routine or what have you. And then also some simple techniques, really basic things that you can be doing to get some straightforward movement into your day and really help to improve your gut health. So basically then, it has been scientifically proven that the levels of your friendly bacteria can increase by, an astonishing 40% if you can be moving around. I mean, your gut bacteria and your gut health generally really like it if you are moving. They don't like you being sedentary at all. So species of bacteria which are really vital, for example, lactobacillus and akkermansia, which is something that often comes up low, and that can indicate you've got some leaky gut going on, and also bifidobacteria. All those really important strains can increase by about 40% if you can get some movement into your day. In addition to that, what also happens is that the bacteria produce short chain fatty acids, so specifically butyrate, and we need our butyrate because that's going to really help with cell turnover and keeping your gut healthy, and also reducing inflammation. So if you have got anything like IBS, and quite often we see inflammation is raised a little bit. Obviously, in certain conditions, it's raised a lot more than that. But if we can increase those butyrate producers, then, or certainly increase the amount of butyrate they're producing, that is going to help your gut function on a much better level. So there's a couple of good reasons there why you really want to be increasing your levels of gut bacteria. In addition to that, if you're exercising, that's really going to improve your gut transit time, which is always good. We don't want food hanging around in your digestive system for too long, because that can encourage, more pathogenic strains of bacteria to set up home, and they cause all those kind of problem bloating and IBS symptoms and so on, which we really want to avoid. So if you can keep your gut transit time short, that is what you really want to be aiming for. One issue that I would say is that over-exercising isn't necessarily going to do you much good. People who do spend large amounts of time in the gym or training for marathons, etc., they will have had special training on how to avoid these unpleasant symptoms. But for the average person, just, incorporating a little bit more gentle exercise into your day can really help you. So don't overdo it. Because that your stress levels can increase a lot with a lot of intensive exercise, and that can increase conditions such as leaky gut, which I know many of you are quite worried about having as well. So keep it simple, keep it relaxed is the way forward, really. So a few tips then how you can get this going on. First of all, if you're working, doesn't matter if you're working from home, working from an office, if you're talking on the phone for any length of time, that's a good opportunity to get up and walk around. If you're pacing about while you're on the phone, it's getting in a nice bit of movement, which your gut bacteria love. Your gut bacteria really do not like it when you're sitting sedentary for long periods of time. And additionally, if you are, again, doesn't matter where you're working, when you've got 5 minutes, get up, walk around, go to the loo, go up and down the stairs, get off the bus or tube or whatever a bit early, and get those steps in before you get to work as well. All these kind of additional movements are going to be really great for your gut bacteria. So low impact, I think, is key as far as your gut health is concerned. So low impact exercise such as walking is just fantastic. As I've said, walking is also going to help your body to process any proteins that you've eaten, because protein is a lot harder for your body to digest. So getting up and getting that bit of movement in can really help your body to process the protein more effectively. Of course, there are lots and lots more, other things that we can do to help with that as well. But if you can get a bit of gentle movement in after you've eaten, that's going to be quite useful for you. Stuff like yoga, dancing, superb for getting you into that parasympathetic state, nice and relaxed. That's when your digestive system is going to kick in and really start to work properly for you. And yeah, weirdly, ab workouts. So not only are you toning your abs while you're working out, but your gut bacteria really like that exercise as well. So they can, increase in numbers as well while you're doing your ab toning workouts. So 2 benefits to doing those, definitely. Walking also will help your body to extract polyphenols. It just helps your digestive system work a lot more effectively. So it's extracting these vital polyphenols, which your gut bacteria really is the perfect food for them. So that in addition is going to really help to boost those numbers. Okay, but as I say, it's all about balance. It's just getting that little bit of movement in. You don't need to be going hell for leather. You don't need to be working out in the gym, running marathons or anything. Although, of course, you can if you like. But it's just those gentle movements throughout the day that are really going to benefit you. Okay, I hope you found that useful. Do like and share if you liked it, if you found it useful and you think others might do as well. And also there's a link in the comments to book a free call with me if you would like to take the next step in your gut health journey and talk about coaching, testing, etc. And there's also links there as well to download a free program as well. Okay, I shall see you next time. Bye.